Welcome back, guys, to another update from the bull ring. We talked about this yesterday, guys. We had resistance, and that resistance is super strong. If you're day trading and you're watching the 1 minute, the 5 minute, guys, I get it, right? It looks like it's going up a lot, okay? But look at this. We had a long wick there. We had a longer wick here, and we ended up closing right at the bottom of this candle, guys. Okay, we started out like champs, or Tesla did at least. Then it came back down. Now, a good thing to look at here, guys, if you want to know where the stock is going, is come over to the 15 minute, okay, and take a look what happened. So you can see that there's a lot of rejection on the 15 minute, okay. They did try to pull out of there, but I'm going to show you one of the tricks the market makers use, guys. Okay, take the highest point you had for the day, which is here, and I'm going to come back and draw my fib. Okay, and on our fibs, we always come back to a 50% retracement, which is the 220.59 area. We got into 219.73. Didn't make it all the way. Now, what happens after you hit the 50 retracement? Well, what I can tell you is if you hit the 38 instead, it's not good, guys. Okay. Usually the stocks will end up plummeting and coming back down to where they started, which is at 214. I suspect we'll be at 212 tomorrow. Market makers did try to bring this up so that we could have a nice rally, but I personally wasn't fooled, guys, and I'm already short Tesla. Not telling you what to do, but that's what I did. All right, same thing we have with Tesla. We have with SPX. We had resistance there. We started our double top, and now we got a doji, guys, a doji. If you guys are not familiar with doji, okay, click on the link below, guys. I have some courses. I'll teach you what that means. And if you're enjoying some of this and the knowledge and where the stock is going, hey, do me a favor, subscribe and hit that like button. And if you want to know when the next video is coming out, well, hit the notification, guys, the little notification bell. All right, so doji means that there is an indecision in here. That means that they're fighting so hard. It didn't go up, didn't go down. Okay, but we did not get past this point. I suspect we start falling tomorrow because look at all this here. This is a big gap down, guys. Okay, it takes a lot of money to keep this here. There is a very, very small chance we go up there. Okay, now when we come back down, got a secret for you guys. Okay, when we come back down, and if we come back up, we could be seeing a bull run. Not a big chance, but the chance is there. Okay, check this out. All right, sometimes you gotta look at stuff backwards, upside down, all that good stuff. Okay, so potentially if SPX does this, okay, guys, we're going to see a nice run up. Okay, how far up? We will get here, come down, and then go past all of this stuff here. Okay, this is a very small chance right there, guys. That inverse head and shoulder, very small chance. So don't start buying calls, don't start buying shares of anything. Okay, I'm just showing you what could be developing in here, because when stocks get in between these two support and resistance, they could technically be consolidating, and of course the inverse head and shoulder will give us that first clue that we might be heading up. But for now, guys, we're rejecting, and looks like we're going to play out headed down tomorrow. Apple, on the other hand, guys, Apple got into a nice little bull run. Look at this. It broke out of this double top, and it did resist here again. Okay, now it's not out of the woods yet, guys, because guess what you have here now? You have another double top. Okay, yep, that's the way it works, guys. So until we have a full candle close outside of this line, okay, Apple is not out of the woods, so it's still considered in a downtrend until it breaks out and gives us a higher high, which would be it has to get past these candles. This was the last high it had, so we would need Apple to close above about 182, 183, guys. So keep an eye out for Apple. Okay, if you guys watched my videos in the past, okay, I tell you, wherever Google goes, the market goes. So Google is trying to get out of this resistance area. It almost did today. Okay, so now, okay, if you want to do it correctly, we have a wick there. So what you do, if you're charting, you just raise your resistance area, and now this area just became a little bit more bearish, guys. We've had resistance all the way to this point. Okay, so now if we get past this, we could see a small bull run from Google. And what happened to Disney, guys? Disney had broken this resistance. Look at that. Got rejected there and rejected one more time. As a matter of fact, Disney did this and all the way down to 83.50 area, and it closed around 84. Still not out of the woods. Now, some of you might be saying, haha, see, I knew it. It's not going anywhere. That's what you call dodo birds. So don't pay attention to those guys, okay? This is what stocks do, and they do it every single day. They go up, come down, find support. They go up, come down, find support. Oh, buddy. Oh, buddy, watch out. So, Disney is still in a bull run, in my opinion. Now, if you guys go look up candles, okay, this is a pretty big bearish candle, but it found support here. Okay, that's a bigger bearish candle. Okay, this one is big, but Disney did fight and it did not fill that gap all the way. Okay, so this could be support for Disney and it could be headed up. So don't give up on Disney, people. All right, guys, and last but not least, we have Nvidia. We covered Nvidia yesterday. Okay, we still have this downtrend resistance, and we did say it could break out of this double top and head towards this resistance area, which is our about 463 area, 462. So it actually rejected earlier than that, right around 459, but it did have a nice run up, guys. I actually played some of this today on the way up and on the way down, and then back on the way up at the end of the day. I don't think Nvidia has any gas left in it. I think it'll start making a trend down like it did today, guys. It did retrace just like Tesla. And obviously, if you guys watch my videos, you know that Tesla actually follows Nvidia. So what's next for Nvidia? I think Nvidia is going to try really hard to stay out of this 450 area, because look at this. There was support right in there up until 449. If it doesn't find that support tomorrow, we could see it trending down, guys, all the way to 440 and even deeper. So I'm going to leave this arrow here so you guys can see that Nvidia is now going to turn. That's what I think. Okay, I think it's in a reversal. It rejected early, which is bearish. And go take a look at the MACDs and RSIs, guys, and verify this stuff so that you can see that these entries that I made today, I went short on both Tesla and Nvidia. So for now, guys, I am short, and I'm hoping you guys have an amazing night, and I hope you have an amazing great day tomorrow. If you guys are interested in my courses, they're available, guys. They're on sale to the end of the year. And also the indicator that tells you when to get into a trade and when to get out. And before I leave you guys, I will show you the indicator. Okay, you see this, the cloud went from green to orange, and you guys know I use orange instead of red. So this was bearish entry right in here at 264. Tesla went down to 235. That's a $30 drop. When the clouds flip, we got back in 251. We went all the way to 267, and it flipped one more time, guys, 257, and we went down here to about 197. Okay, and we are currently looking for this candle tomorrow to go under that 4 hour. It already did under the 1 hour, which I'm kind of cheating. Okay, but this is my indicator, guys. It tells you, see that right in here, I got in my short, this came up, I know, rejected, no big deal. But tomorrow I know we're going to go down, because this red line here, guys, is the MACD. And when the MACD flips, the stock follows it. See that? Flip green here, then we got this up. So you get a heads up with this indicator when it's going bearish and when it's going bullish, guys. So make sure you guys check it out. Go to bullring.com. And again, wishing you a great day tomorrow, guys. Take care.